Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to forward an email on Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school, or business. We also need access to the desktop application. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you are signed into the account. And let's go to an email that we have received. So your monthly digest. Now we will forward this email. If we go to the top navigation menu where it says forward, this whole email will now be forwarded to my original email for Computer Science Videos. So let's type that out now. Yes, and now we can click on send. So the email itself has been sent. Now let's go to the sent emails. And this is a forwarded email, as we can see, by FW. So we can minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Safari, go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to Outlook. And there we have the forwarded email received by my main account. So we can now quit Safari, quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.